Let me upgrade you. Hi everybody. Okay, well, first of all, let me say happy Halloween. Halloween is almost here, and of course, I've been watching people making their stuff going on. And I wonder what the heck people are gonna do, because I really haven't seen nobody, like, stay. You see, when I get mad, people. I almost think I broke this. It won't stay still, and that's what gets me really mad. You hear that cracking sound? That was me getting mad at my camera. I don't do very much stuff. Can't put it anywhere now. To find a place to put it. I'm gonna throw your camera. Seriously, I am. If you don't stay, camera. I say I'm gonna throw you. Don't make me want to throw you, because I don't want to really. You stupid camera. Move that. Get away. Where is it? I told you I was going to throw you. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you I was going to throw you? Didn't I tell you? I'm telling you, sometimes I get frustrated and it just makes me want to break stuff. Especially when stuff don't work. I'm telling you, I need anger management for stuff, because I'm always throwing stuff. I'm always throwing stuff. I can't find a place to put this crap. Okay, so I guess this is all for this video, because I can't find a good place to put it. So I guess this is it for this video. Okay, bye people. And I'm sorry for that throwing kind of sound, because sometimes it just makes it so mejor.